So, today, pupuntahan natin yung tinatawag nilang Hardy's Cottage na kung saan ay nasa gitna siya ng kagubatan. So, let's go. Hello everyone! Welcome to Hardy's Cottage and Nature Trail. A little bit background about Hardy's Cottage. This is the birthplace of the famous English novelist, poet, and short story writer named Thomas Hardy. And the cottage was built by Hardy's great-grandfather in 1800. He was born in 1840 and lived the cottage until he was age of 34. It was a long time ago the cottage was built, but still there until this day, and now a famous attraction here in England. But before we go there, let's enjoy walking under the trees and get the fresh air. Kasi kapag nakatira ka sa lugar na kung saan, o 'di ba? Biglang nagtagalog. Na nosebleed. So ayun na nga, kapag nakatira ka sa lugar na kung saan pagbukas mo ng pintuan or pagbukas mo ng bintana, makikita mo yung mga bahay na parang wala kang kapitbahay. According to my research, nature can help decrease our anxiety, less stress, and feelings of anger. Exercise can also help, but it's even better if you are outside. Regular access to green spaces, it's helped lower risk of depression. Experiencing nature can improve mental health and increase our ability to focus. Kaya, ingatan natin yung ating likas na yaman. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa bahay ni Thomas Hardy. Enjoy your watching! At dito na po nagtatapos yung ating gala for today's video. At kung nag-enjoy ka naman, please don't forget to like. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. Bye!